Have you ever wondered what exactly causes snoring? While snoring might seem harmless or just annoying, it can actually be a sign of something more serious going on. When you fall asleep, the muscles in your throat relax. And in some people, this narrowing of the airway makes it harder for air to pass through, leading to snoring. Certain factors like sleeping position, nasal congestion, or even being overweight can make snoring worse by further narrowing the airway. But snoring isn't just about noise. It can be a warning sign of sleep apnea, a condition where your breathing repeatedly stops and starts during sleep. This can lead to poor sleep quality and oxygen deprivation.